And all of my brother and sister. Today standing here feels both happy and beautiful at the same time. I can't believe that our school life comes to an end, but our school is not just a school for us. It's a second home where you have grown, laugh and share and create countless memories. So today also I still remember the first time when you enter into the classroom with fear and curiosity, but now we stand here as more confident, wiser individual. This transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happened because of the love, patience, and guidance of our respected teachers. Dear teacher, you don't only teach the lesson of books, you teach the lesson of life. Your love, your care, your support, and your scoldings will always stay in our heart. When we doubt ourselves, you support us and you believe us. You correct our mistakes. Dear friends, you are the best part of this journey. The laughter we share with each other and the moment we have created in this school are priceless. So today we are saying goodbye, but and we are filled with emotion also, and we are emotional right now. But this is the time of the beginning of new chapter of our life and new journey of our life. No matter where life will take us, we'll always carry our teacher, our friend, and our school in our heart. And we promise to make all of you proud someday. Thank you for everything. Once again, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Pariksha Taman, for expressing few words. So, their performance.
खुसी पनि लिनुपर्छ किनभने विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू आफ्नो सुन्दर भविष्य निर्माण गर्नका लागि अथवा आफ्नो गन्तव्यमा पुग्नका लागि अथवा उनीहरू आफ्नो एउटा लक्ष्य हासिल गर्नका लागि यहाँबाट अथवा विद्यालय तहको अध्ययन पुरा गरेर उच्च शिक्षा अध्ययन गर्नका लागि हामीबाट बिदाई भएर जाँदैछन्। त्यसमा हामीले खुसी लिनुपर्ने हो। तर वास्तवमा हामीले यति लामो समयसम्म विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई पढाउँदै गर्दाखेरि कहिलेकाहीँ हामीबाट नराम्रा कुराहरू पनि भए होलान्। हामीले गाली गर्यौँ होला अथवा कहिलेकाहीँ हामीले पिटाउँ पनि होला। वास्तवमा ती सबै कुराहरूलाई विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूले यही छोडेर सूर्यावश्य माध्यमिक विद्यालयमा भएका हरेक राम्रा गतिविधिहरू मात्रै यहाँबाट लिएर जानेछन् र उज्जवल भविष्य निर्माणका लागि धेरै मेहनत परिश्रम गरेर आफ्नो गन्तव्यमा पुग्नेछन् भन्ने विद्यार्थीहरूलाई उज्जवल भविष्यको
नै सुरु भएको छ हाम्रो विद्यार्थी जीवनको यात्रा। आज सायद जति नै होला, सम्पूर्ण गुरु गुरुआमालाई हामी धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौँ। हजुरहरूको योगदान, माया, साथ र सपोर्ट र ज्ञानको शब्दमा त वर्णन गर्न सकिँदैन। हजुरहरूको यो माया, साथ र सपोर्टको लागि हामी जहिले ऋणी रहनेछौँ। सायद आज हामीले भन्दा हजुरहरूले हाम्रो भविष्यको चिन्ता लिइरहनु भएको छ। हजुरहरूले देखाउनु भएको बाटो, दिनुभएको माया र सिकाउनु भएको जीवनका पाठहरू सधैँ हाम्रा मन मस्तिष्कमा बसिरहनेछन्। हामीबाट जान अनजानमा गल्ती भए होला। आशा छ हजुरहरूले हामीलाई आफ्नो छोराछोरी सम्झेर माफी दिनुभयो होला। हामीभन्दा साना ब्याचका साथीहरू, आशा छ तिमीहरू हामीभन्दा पनि बढी मेहनत गरेर अगाडि बढ्नेछौ। एसई परीक्षा राम्ररी उत्तीर्ण गर्नेछौ। आज त विदाई भनेर होला, सबै चिजको माया लागिरहेको छ। Thank you, Olga Dahan, for expressing your hearts and opinions.
पोषक मानवी खत्री बहिनी र यस कक्षा 10 को विदाई कार्यक्रमका सभापतिज्यू, विद्यालयका डाइरेक्टरज्यू, विद्यालयका प्रिन्सिपलज्यू र अन्य मेरा सहकर्मी साथीहरू, साथै कक्षा 10 बाट विदाई भएर जान लाग्नुभएका भाइ बहिनीहरू, साथै
And friends, for the support, encouragement, and memories we have created for 13 years. These years have been more than just a lesson in classroom. These years, this growth and friendship As I move ahead, I hope to honor the hope and faith you have placed in me. Even though farewell are never easy, it is a chance to embark on our new journey. As I to the next chapter, I will carry everything this school has offered me. So rather than saying goodbye, I would like to say thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you for everything. Thank you for being part of my journey. So, saying this, I, Aishka Shrestha, beloved student of grade 10, would like to sign off from this stage. Thank you very much. Thank you, Aishka Shrestha, for your few words.
School, Padma sir, my colleagues, dear students, especially the 10 graders. Ever better, better more. This is our slogan. So, this time, actually, as I have heard from my colleagues, that this is not the time to be sad. This is very happy moment in my view. We, since the beginning of their childhood, have educated in our school. We somehow bridge their destination. In this matter, we all should be happy and wish them all the best for upcoming SE examinations. I have already told you in the class too. Now, 10 graders, you must be more responsible. By today, we have had, our responsibility to make you at least SE candidates. We have taught you not only bookish knowledge, but also behavioral aspect, morality, culture, tradition in our school. In this moment, I would like to thank those grade 9 girls who just have shown here very best cultural performances of their own.
I'm in this century. What is the purpose of life? And he answered, the life itself is the purpose. So you are already there. The purpose is already fulfilled in a way. Just cherish it. Enjoy whatever comes in front. Go through it and go over it. So I'm gonna say the adolescents like you are like the young Buddha. When Buddha first time went into the city, he encountered sickness, old age, even death. Right? So you expect ups and downs. You do expect struggles. You do expect success. That's okay. That's the life. That's normal. So I'm saying you, no worries. Just relax and do your best. Alright? We love you. My message is simple. We respect you and we want you to be yourself. We want to enjoy and we want to live your life the fullest. That's the message today. So, I would like to congratulate you first of all, and I would like to express my best wishes for the examination, not only for the examination, for the life.
We'll follow them and then get best wishes from your juniors, your teachers, up to their account room. If anything is remaining, then you may come back after that. Thank you. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
नर्मदा अलि यता फर्किनु
भोलि आइहाल्छु
नजरले बेमान गर्छ